my dear friends. Today, we shall be making karaage chicken. This is the Japanese-style fried chicken popularized in the 40s and 50s. Karaage is a cooking method of frying meat, usually chicken, after marinating and dusting with corn or potato starch. This is different from tempura, which usually uses shrimp and fried after dipping in wet batter. Come and join me today. Let's do this together on Becker's Easy Eats. Instead of the traditional deep frying, we shall be using a healthier option today using my trusty air fryer. Here are the ingredients. My sous chef shall now cut the chicken into medium bite sizes. For the marinade, use minced garlic and grated ginger, soy sauce, mirin, sake, and sesame oil. Mix with hand. Set aside to marinate for at least 30 minutes.
Hi, this is Russell. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and subscribe to our plushie channel, and hit that notification bell.
Prepare the chicken coating by mixing half cornstarch and half all-purpose flour. This will ensure that your chicken will come out very light and crunchy. Coat each chicken piece thoroughly with the flour mixture. Spray generously with cooking oil. Before frying in the air fryer for 5 to 7 minutes each side. The way to make your chicken even crunchier. Take out the cooked chicken and let it cool and dry out for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then spray with oil again and re-fry for another 5 minutes each side. And there you have it, dear friends. Super delicious Japanese karaage chicken. Super easy to prepare too. Thank you very much for watching. Join me next week for another episode of Becker's Easy Eats. Please support this plushie channel by buying me a coffee.